In this video, we will highlight 10 crypto altcoins that could make you a millionaire this upcoming bull run. These altcoins have the potential to 50 to 400x your investment in 2025. Watch the entire video to discover the final 2 projects with the highest potential returns. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight, called Alephium. In the rapidly developing and ever-evolving world of crypto, Alephium stands out as a promising newcomer with a unique approach to scalability and efficiency. This innovative platform, dubbed ALF, brings a fresh perspective to the table, offering a hybrid architecture that artfully combines the robustness of the proof-of-work consensus mechanism with the scalability offered by directed acyclic graphs. The unique nature of ALF's architecture is designed to address and overcome the limitations that plague existing blockchains. By doing so, it enables the creation of a more robust, versatile, and dynamic ecosystem for decentralized applications. This, in turn, opens up a plethora of opportunities for different sectors, ranging from finance to gaming. One of the key advantages of ALF's hybrid architecture is its ability to handle significantly more transactions per second than traditional blockchains. This high-throughput capacity makes it well-suited for applications that require high-volume transactions, such as financial platforms and exchanges. Furthermore, ALF's directed acyclic graph-based architecture eliminates the need for miners to wait for confirmations before adding new blocks. This innovative feature drastically reduces transaction times and boosts overall network efficiency, offering a seamless experience for users and developers alike. Security is a key concern for any decentralized network, and ALF addresses this through its proof-of-work consensus mechanism. ALF's versatility shines in its ability to support the development of new DeFi protocols and applications, facilitating secure and efficient financial transactions. It also provides a secure, scalable platform for creating and trading NFTs, a feature that is particularly relevant in today's digital art and collectibles market. In the world of gaming, ALF can also be used to aid the development of innovative, immersive blockchain-based games, offering gamers an enhanced, transparent experience. In conclusion, ALF is a groundbreaking Layer 1 platform that could revolutionize our interaction with decentralized applications. Its hybrid architecture, scalability, efficiency, and security make it an attractive choice for developers and users alike. ALF currently has a market cap of 100 million. We believe the project has got a lot of potential and will hit a market cap of at least 20 billion in a bull run. That is a beautiful 200x from here. As our second altcoin, we would like to highlight Nakamoto Games. The idea of earning money while playing games has gained immense popularity among gamers in recent times. This trend has given rise to play-to-earn games like Axie Infinity, which is a perfect example of how players can earn real money while having fun. Among the various play-to-earn platforms, Nakamoto Games stands out as a blockchain-based gaming platform that has caught the attention of many players. The platform offers a wide range of games that provide players with the opportunity to earn a steady stream of income. To participate in the games offered by the Nakamoto Games platform, players need to connect their Web3 wallet that holds Naka tokens before choosing a game to play. The Naka token serves as the utility token of the platform and is required to power the games and purchase special weapons or features for certain games. Additionally, to maintain the token's economic stability and deflationary structure, Naka has decided to partially burn the Naka tokens as more tokens are added to the reward pool. This is an innovative way to ensure that the value of the tokens remains intact while providing players with a steady stream of income. Apart from providing players with a variety of games, Naka has also set up a governance system that allows participants to vote on different proposals, such as burning Naka tokens. This system ensures that players have a say in the platform's decision-making process, making it a more democratic and community-driven platform. Moreover, Nakamoto Games has created its own metaverse called Nakaverse. This metaverse offers players a more immersive gaming experience with play-to-earn games from the platform and more. The metaverse also includes shops, restaurants, NFT museums, and digital land plots for sale. Owners of these land plots will have the advantage of creating valuable resources faster than other players, making it a valuable investment for players looking to earn a steady income through play-to-earn games. In conclusion, Naka is a groundbreaking project that truly stands out in the world of play-to-earn gaming. It boasts an impressive array of games, catering to a wide range of tastes and preferences. The project is not just about fun and games, It also introduces a deflationary token structure that promotes a sustainable economic model. But what truly sets Naka apart is its innovative metaverse. This metaverse is a virtual world where players can interact, explore, and create their own experiences. It's a place where the boundaries between gaming and reality blur, providing endless possibilities for players. Therefore, for those with an interest in the play-to-earn gaming space, Naka is undeniably a project that deserves attention. Nakamoto Games currently has a market cap of 60 million. A market cap of 10 billion can be reached in a bull run. That is a 167x from here. As our third project, we would like to present Trias. Trias is a decentralized infrastructure designed to deliver trustworthy and reliable cloud computing. The goal of Trias is to foster a world where machines can be trusted, countering potential risks like data leaks and privacy violations often associated with untrusted machines. Trias, an acronym for Trustworthy and Reliable Intelligent Autonomous Systems, is an innovative Web3 project centered around the concept of trust in machines. It aims to create a reliable general-purpose computation infrastructure, where systems only implement expected behaviors. Trias also offers compatibility with all platforms, including mobile, IoT devices, and servers, and features a self-sustaining token economy. Operating as a decentralized software as a service, Trias ensures high scalability, continuous availability, and improved security, thereby enhancing the traditional SaaS model. Trias Force, a software suite developed by the Trias team, embodies this DSaaS model, providing blockchain-based services to various sectors through its key offerings: Trias Force Auditing, Trias Force Security, and Trias Force ERP. The Leviatum layer, part of the Trias architecture, uses a web of trusted execution environments to ensure the accurate execution of software applications. The Prometheus layer is a traceable development framework that documents all crucial data related to the lifespan of software on a blockchain. The Magna Carta layer is a consensus-driven programming model, which allows the creation of unique consensus strategies for advanced enterprise dApps. Trias has initiated several innovative projects such as Triathlon Lab, Ethereum Network, and Tusima, which operate as nodes. Triathlon aims to empower project builders and token holders to drive the testing and auditing process of crypto projects throughout their life cycles. Tusima is a Layer 2 controllable privacy financial network based on ZK Rollup, offering superior on-chain data privacy protection. Lastly, Ethereum aims to build a new blockchain platform that supports the full decentralization of large-scale applications, redefining the concepts of people, space, and applications in the Web3 era. Trias currently has a market cap of 40 million. We believe that Trias has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 6 billion in the future. That is exactly a 150x from here. Project number 4 is called Spectral. Machine learning models, especially those applied in critical production settings, are typically designed and developed by a handful of large, centralized entities using complex and proprietary techniques. AI agents, which are essentially automated codes that perform tasks on our behalf, have the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. Pioneering AI innovators such as OpenAI have already made significant progress in this regard, laying the groundwork for the creation of agent marketplaces. In the context of Web3, AI agents can provide a considerable boost to the speed and overall user experience of on-chain operations. The decentralized ethos that underpins Web3 stands in stark contrast to the concept of centralized marketplaces that currently dominate the creation and operation of on-chain agents. Enter Spectral, an innovative solution that seeks to reconcile these seemingly contradictory elements by bridging the divide between AI, machine learning, and blockchain technologies. Its suite of products enables users to create on-chain agents that operate based on transparent, open-source knowledge bases and inferences. These agents utilize a common provenance layer, aptly named the infrachain, thereby ensuring transparency and accountability in their operations. Spectral offers two distinct products: Spectral Syntax and Spectral Nova. The former is a network of on-chain agents that enables users to create their own on-chain agents using a Solidity copilot. It understands natural language intents and turns them into code-based agent instructions. Users can create and monetize their own agents or use the community-created agents to perform their daily Web3 tasks. On the other hand, Spectral Nova is a machine intelligence network that provides decentralized ML inferences directly to smart contracts. It encourages top data scientists and ML engineers to build models that output inference feeds to solve predictive and machine intelligence problems for Web3 applications. The agents created on the Spectral Syntax network and the various inference feeds they consume from the Spectral Nova network will be integrated through the InfraChain. Spectral envisions the InfraChain as the future of agent-to-agent communication, promoting transparency, decentralization, and performance verification for AI's application in the Web3 space. Spectral currently has a market cap of 120 million. We believe that Spectral has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 15 billion in the future. That is a 125x from here. Let's move on to our fifth project, Azuro. The human desire to take risk for a potential gain is getting bigger and is more widespread than ever. A generation of degens within and outside of crypto is upon the world. Azuro enters the space with the mission to break down barriers by creating a protocol dependent on community participation and ownership. Azuro is an infrastructure liquidity layer for on-chain predictions. It uses a new liquidity pool design, the liquidity tree, to create and maintain market liquidity. Azuro supports thousands of sports markets and other games, plus a rich feature set. Anyone can use it permissionlessly to create various apps, embedded integrations, or derivative products. The Azuro protocol is a suite of upgradable smart contracts that form a protocol for creating prediction applications and products with ERC20 tokens on EVM-compatible blockchains. Azuro components include web components that make it quick and easy to build applications on the Azuro protocol. The interface is just one of many ways to build a dApp. The Azuro protocol is a decentralized protocol that enables peer-to-pool prediction markets without intermediaries. It's built on EVM-compatible blockchains and consists of several smart contracts that handle different aspects of the prediction process, such as liquidity pools, odds, live betting, and payouts. The protocol uses a hybrid Oracle automated market maker solution to determine the odds of different outcomes and ensure the process is fair and transparent. Azuro DAO is a governance system for managing the Azuro protocol. In contracts infrastructure, the Azuro DAO is the owner of the factory contract, to which a part of the profit share is credited by LP after each condition is completed. Azuro currently has a market cap of 10 million. We predict that Azuro will have a market cap of at least 2 billion next year. That is a crazy 200x from here. We are also heavily investing in a top RWA project called Pendle Finance. Pendle is an innovative project that brings a unique and fresh perspective to the practice of yield optimization within the DeFi space. At its core, the protocol is intricately designed to enable users to trade tokenized future yields of DeFi assets. This ingenious approach paves the way for a novel market for yield exposure, a concept that was previously beyond reach in the DeFi landscape. This market offers users unprecedented access to yield that they would otherwise have been unable to tap into. In turn, this fosters the creation of new, lucrative investment opportunities for investors who are constantly on the hunt for yield. Central to Pendle's functionality is the use of yield tokens. These tokens serve as a representation of a future stream of yield emanating from a specific DeFi asset. Examples of these assets range from a liquidity pool token to a lending token. The unique feature of these tokens is that they can be traded on secondary markets. This provides users with the ability to buy and sell future yield exposure to these assets, opening up a new frontier of opportunities. One of Pendle's key strengths lies in its capability to create customizable yield structures. These are tailored to meet the specific needs of users, providing an additional layer of flexibility and customization. This feature allows users to optimize their yield strategies based on their individual risk tolerance and investment goals. In addition to all these features, Pendle also introduces a unique staking mechanism. Users can stake their Pendle tokens, thereby earning rewards for providing liquidity to yield token markets. This increase in liquidity helps to maintain stable prices for yield tokens, thereby contributing to a more robust and stable DeFi ecosystem. Pendle currently has a market cap of 700 million. We believe that a market cap of 40 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is roughly a 57x from here. As our seventh project, we would like to highlight Ondo. Stablecoins have become indispensable for several reasons. Primarily, they bridge the traditional financial world with the digital asset space, offering a stable medium of exchange in a traditionally very volatile market. In this evolving landscape, Ondo Finance is carving out its niche by revolutionizing real-world assets through its innovative product offerings. Ondo's approach centers around tokenizing stable, income-generating assets from the traditional financial world, thereby merging the best of both worlds: the reliability and familiarity of traditional finance with the efficiency and accessibility of blockchain technology. The structure of Ondo Finance is split into two primary arms: the asset management arm and the technology arm. The asset management arm is responsible for creating and overseeing tokenized financial products. These products are intricately designed to embody the characteristics of traditional financial instruments, while leveraging the benefits of blockchain technology. On the other hand, the technology arm of Ondo is focused on developing decentralized finance protocols, which are integral to the functioning and scalability of Ondo's financial offerings. A distinctive aspect of Ondo's approach lies in its protocol development. The protocols, once established, are designed to operate independently of Ondo. This independence is reflected in their governance and web interfaces, which are managed by separate entities, not controlled by Ondo. This separation underscores Ondo's commitment to creating decentralized and autonomous financial ecosystems. In the volatile realm of cryptocurrency, trust and security are paramount. Ondo addresses these concerns by collaborating with established, reputable partners in various operational aspects. For instance, the OUSG Fund, managed in partnership with BlackRock and involving entities like Citi, JP Morgan, and State Street, exemplifies Ondo's commitment to quality and security. Additionally, the use of Coinbase for crypto asset custody further reinforces this commitment. Ondo currently has a market cap of $1 billion. We believe that Ondo has the potential to reach a market cap of at least $60 billion in 2025. That is a 60x from here. Our favorite altcoin with a larger market cap that could still make you a millionaire in the next bull run is called Kaspa. Kaspa represents a groundbreaking innovation in the blockchain technology realm. It is a transaction layer that offers instant confirmation, powered by a proof-of-work engine that not only delivers speed, but also scalability, redefining how transactions are processed on the blockchain. When transactions are dispatched to miners, they can be promptly added to the ledger. This is made possible by a revolutionary block DAG structure that forms the backbone of the Kaspa system. This structure is based on the Ghost DAG protocol, which is an innovative evolution of the Nakamoto consensus, scalable and suitable for a wide range of applications. In keeping with the principles that underpin Bitcoin, Kaspa implements a proof-of-work mining system. Additionally, it adheres to a deflationary monetary policy and ensures no pre-mine or central governance, thereby maintaining the decentralized nature of the blockchain. What sets Kaspa apart is its unique capacity to uphold high block rates, all the while maintaining the high level of security that is characteristic of the most secure proof-of-work environments. Unlike many traditional cryptocurrencies, Kaspa successfully circumvents the trade-off between security, scalability, and decentralization. The decentralization of cryptocurrencies often necessitates a limitation on their block creation rate. This is to curb the creation of orphans, off-chain blocks that manifest during the time it takes for a latent block to be propagated across the network. However, Kaspa's consensus layer employs GhostDAG, a proof-of-work consensus protocol that evolves Nakamoto's chain into a directed acyclic graph of blocks, effectively resolving this trade-off. The result is a robust cryptocurrency backed by 51% security, supported by a high number of miners and nodes, and delivering throughput equivalent to 1 block per second. This makes Kaspa a highly efficient platform for transactions. Furthermore, Kaspa's consensus layer facilitates fast confirmations, thereby enabling use cases that necessitate immediate proof of publication, such as e-commerce. This stands in stark contrast to traditional cryptocurrencies, which are often hampered by slow block rates leading to sluggish confirmations. Slow block rates also contribute to high variance in mining income, prompting miners to join larger mining pools. However, Kaspa's fast block rate counteracts this effect, reducing the variance of mining income, which in turn diminishes the incentive for miners to join large mining pools, contributing to the decentralization of mining. In conclusion, Kaspa is an exciting and unique project that brings a revolutionary solution to the scalability problem plaguing decentralized cryptocurrencies. Its cutting-edge technology, rooted in the GhostDAG protocol, enables high block rates and swift confirmations without compromising on security or decentralization. This positions Kaspa as an ideal platform for an array of use cases, including e-commerce and DeFi, heralding a new era in blockchain technology. Kaspa currently has a market cap of $2.5 billion. With the big-brained people behind Kaspa, a market cap of at least $100 billion is not crazy to think of in the next bull run. That is a solid 40x from here. As our 9th project, we would like to highlight another RWA project, called Parcel. Parcel is a RWA project on the Solana blockchain that democratizes real estate investment by introducing fractional ownership of properties through blockchain technology. It recently launched its native PRCL token, which has several essential functions, including governance, staking, and transaction fees. The PRCL token allows users to participate in decision-making, earn rewards, and pay for transactions within the ecosystem. By tokenizing real estate, Parcel offers investors the ability to gain exposure to global real estate markets without the need to own physical properties, offering a cost-effective and accessible alternative to traditional real estate investing. Parcel's use of the Solana blockchain ensures a decentralized, transparent, and efficient system, taking advantage of Solana's low transaction fees and high-speed network. This makes Parcel distinct from traditional real estate platforms and other blockchain-based projects. The ability to tokenize real estate means users can buy, sell, or trade fractions of properties, allowing for diversification across multiple markets with minimal capital. The introduction of the PRCL token enhances the Parcel platform's utility by integrating it into various aspects of the ecosystem. For instance, by holding and staking PRCL tokens, users are rewarded with part of the transaction fees generated on the platform. This staking mechanism not only incentivizes long-term participation, but also helps secure the network. The governance feature of PRCL tokens empowers the community to influence key decisions, ensuring that the platform evolves according to the needs and preferences of its users. Looking forward, Parcel plans to expand its offerings, potentially adding more real estate assets from different regions to provide a broader range of investment opportunities. The platform also aims to continually refine its user experience, ensuring that both novice and experienced investors can easily navigate and utilize its features. Through strategic partnerships and technological advancements, Parcel is set to reshape the landscape of real estate investment, making it more aligned with the digital economy and the preferences of the modern investor. Parcel has a market cap of 30 million. We think that a market cap of 8 billion is possible in 2025. That is a crazy 266x from here. For our final project, which boasts the highest potential for returns, we introduce GraphLink. GLQ is a no-code protocol designed for blockchain development. It operates automatically, executing actions in response to triggered events. Essentially, GLQ utilizes its engine and an integrated development environment to offer automated services. To deploy a graph, users have to import any template or GLQ file using the IDE tool. The graph can then be run on the network using the engine tool. GLQ also enables users to access ticks and current statistics on centralized exchanges and DeFi applications. All information acquired from applications and blockchain connections is securely stored in the engine database as a safety measure. The GraphLink ecosystem consists of two primary components: the GraphLink chain and the GraphLink protocol. The GraphLink protocol, an automated process management solution, simplifies the deployment and management of various automation types, even for users without coding skills. This protocol encompasses four key components: the IDE, the app, the engine, and the marketplace. The GraphLink Integrated Development Environment, IDE, enables users to create automation through a drag-and-drop interface. It visually represents the automation process and allows users to connect different nodes to create complex automation. The GraphLink app is a user-friendly interface for accessing pre-made automation templates and deploying them with a few clicks. Users can customize these templates by updating variables and deploying the automation directly from the app. The GraphLink engine, the protocol's core component, executes automation securely and accurately. Operating on the GraphLink chain, the engine is responsible for correctly processing all data. The GraphLink Marketplace is a platform for users to trade GLQ templates and other automation types. The GraphLink chain, a blockchain designed specifically to support the GraphLink protocol, is a proof-of-authority blockchain that offers a secure and scalable platform for automation. GLQ currently has a market cap of 25 million. GLQ is one of the best projects in the AI space, and we think that a market cap of 10 billion is possible in a bull run. That is a mind-blowing 400x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.